Today's video will show you how to reorder roles on Discord. Launch Discord application on your device, navigate to specific server where you want to reorder roles, click on server name to open server menu. Select server settings from drop-down menu. In the server settings, find and click on Roles tab. Locate the role you want to move. Next to role name, you will see series of dots or lines indicating that the role is draggable. Click and hold on draggable area next to the role. Drag role to desired position on the list. Once you reorder roles as you like, look for Save Changes or Save button. Click on it to apply changes. Confirm that roles have been reordered by checking the server members list or rule display. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.